Nicola Roberts has shared a series of behind-the-scenes photos from Girls Aloud's Sound of the Underground music video to celebrate the anniversary of its chart success. The singer-songwriter, 37, took to Instagram earlier to mark the 20th anniversary of the song topping the charts, which came after the group had formed on Popstars, The Rivals. The debut single by the group, which also consisted of Cheryl, now 39, Nadine Coyle, now 37, Kimberly Walsh, now 41, and the late Sarah Harding, was released in 2002. It topped the UK singles chart on December 22 that year, just days after its release, and outperformed the first single by One True Voice, who were their rivals from the ITV show. Nicola marked the anniversary in posts on Instagram this afternoon. They included behind-the-scenes photos from the filming of the music video that promoted the single. She wrote, "Happy anniversary to the song that changed our lives. 20 years ago today, Sound of the Underground went to #1 and stayed there for 4 consecutive weeks. I've been sitting here going through the photos, and feel like I've been transported back to that freezing cold shoot in an empty warehouse where none of us could hardly believe what was happening or even knew what to do," she added. Among them was a photo of the group, who most recently disbanded in 2013, performing inside a caged space within the warehouse, as featured in the music video. Other photos showed them elsewhere on the set, including a photo of Nicola and late bandmate Sarah speaking with Louis Walsh, 70. He was Girls Aloud's manager at the time. Do you enjoy reading about celebrities? Sign up for all the best celeb news from the Mirror here. The recent posts included several photos of Sarah, who passed away last September, aged 39, shortly after announcing that she had been diagnosed with cancer. Sound of the Underground, which shared its name with the group's debut album in 2003, was the first in a string of successful singles that were released by Girls Aloud. They had 20 consecutive top 10 singles in the UK, including Jump, Love Machine, and The Promise. The latter topped the charts and won them a Brit Award in 2009. The group initially disbanded in 2009, 7 years after they had formed on Popstars, The Rivals. They later reformed in 2012 before disbanding again the following year. Nicola, Cheryl, Kimberly and Nadine have reunited in recent months, including at a charity event in memory of Sarah. They haven't performed together though. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.